Hi, today we will discuss about the atomic structure lesson worksheet 1, that is from yesterday's last previous class. What is this? The question continuing to the previous class. The question is, a sodium cation has different number of electrons from. A sodium cation has different number of electrons from. So, sodium cation means that is known as Na plus. Na plus is known as sodium cation. Na plus is known as sodium cation, that is Na plus. See, Na plus contains how many electrons? That is sodium atomic number 11, 11 minus 1, 10 electrons present in Na plus ion. Na plus ion contains how many electrons? 10 electrons. So, here a sodium cation has different number of electrons from. If you take oxygen, what is the oxygen atomic number? It is 8. 2 minus means it takes 2 electrons. Then oxygen contains 10 electrons. So, it is equal to sodium. It is not different number, same number. And fluorine atomic number 9 and F minus plus 1. It is also contains 10 electrons. So, sodium cation is equal number of electrons with F minus. If you take lithium, lithium atomic number 3, 3 minus 1, 2 electrons. So, different number of electrons present in Li plus, because sodium contains only 10 electrons, but Li plus contains only 2 electrons. This is the answer. And now take Al3 plus, aluminum atomic number 13 and minus 3, it is also contains 10 electrons. See, what is the question is here? The question is, a sodium cation has different number of electrons from. That is the question. So, sodium cation means it is stable in plus 1 oxidation state, because in the Na plus the valence shell contains 8 electrons and it is stable. Now, sodium cation contains 10 electrons, and in the case of O2 minus, oxygen anion contains 10 electrons, fluorine in the anion, fluoride ion, it contains 10 electrons, Li plus contains only 2 electrons. So, this is the answer, because different number of electrons present here only. And if you take Al3 plus, aluminum 3 plus contains 10 electrons. So, answer is Li plus. Now, moving to the next question. Now, an atom which has lost 1 electron would be any atom. For example, atom M is there. Any atom contains, say for example, any atom. Take any atom contains, M is the atom. For every atom, number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Electrons number must be equal to proton number. For atom, number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Okay. So, for example, if you take boron, boron atomic number 5. Here at electrons number in boron 5, protons number is boron 5. Okay. Now, if atom lost 1 electron would be, for example, it lost 1 electron, then how many electrons present in here? 4 electrons. How many protons present in? 5 protons. Here 4 electrons cancel with 4 protons, and extra proton is known as its charge. So, boron contains, if boron lost 1 electron, it is exhibits positively charged ion. So, this is the answer, positively charged. See, why positively charged? If any atom lost electron, then it exhibits positive charge, because in the case of lost electrons, number of positive charged particles, protons, greater than number of electrons. So, positive charge is more, then positively charged cation formed. Okay, this is the answer. So, answer is positively charged cation. Next question, 15th one. The number of electrons in the outermost orbit of an element of atomic number with 15. Number of electrons in the outermost orbit. What is the element atomic number 15? We don't know. Okay, leave it. But Atomic number 15, what is electronic configuration? If you know atomic number 15, that is atom is phosphorus, P, atomic number 15, phosphorus. Then write electronic configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. The number of electrons in the outermost element, outermost orbit means this is the outermost. So, third shell is the outermost shell, because if you take an atom, first shell 1s, second shell 2, that is 2s 2p, third shell 3s 3p. If electrons present in outermost shell, that is 3s to 3p. See valence shell, that is called valence shell. The valence shell or outermost orbit, this is known as orbit or shell. So, total number of electrons present in outermost orbit, atomic number 15, that is 5 electrons. This is the answer. The number of electrons present in outermost shell of an atom is equal to 5 with atomic number 15. This is the answer. Okay. Now, moving to the another question. See here, this is known as outermost shell. Outermost shell, see, or outermost orbit, it is called outermost orbit. So, total electrons present in outermost orbit 2 plus 3 is 5. So, answer 5. Okay. Next one, see, the atomic weight of an element is double its atomic number. If there are 4 electrons in 2p orbital, then element is. If there are 4 electrons in the 2p orbital, generally we know Euler diagram. Euler diagram is 1s, see, 1s and 2s 2p, 3s 3p 3d. Electrons filling order 1s, after that 2s, after that 2p. So, the atomic weight of an element is double its atomic number. Okay, that is the point. If there are 4 electrons present in 2p orbital, see 4 electrons means here must be right 4, 2p4, and inside must be filled electrons 2s, s orbital, maximum number of electrons filled in s orbital 2, and here also 2. Total electrons 8 electrons present. So, 8 electrons means atomic number 8, it is known as oxygen. The oxygen atomic number is 8 and mass number is 16, because exactly double. The mass number, atomic weight of oxygen is 16. The number of electrons present in oxygen is 8 electrons. So, answer 8. So, they given here the 2p orbital contains 4 electrons. After completion of 1s 2s with filled electrons, the electrons enters into 2p. Then write 1s to 2s to 2p4. Then total number of electrons present here 8 electrons present. Total number of electrons present here 8 electrons present. Understood or not? Okay. And next question. An atom has electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, C, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, and 4s2, 4p5. Its atomic weight 80. Its atomic number, see, atomic number and number of neutrons in its nucleus shell will be the atomic number and number of neutrons. See, generally the atomic weight given 80, okay, that is atomic weight means mass number given 80. See, what is its atomic number generally? What is its atomic number? Atomic number means total number of electrons present in atom. Count electrons 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 28, 30, 35. So, here total number of electrons present in atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 given, 3s2, 3p6 given, 3d10 given, 4s2, 4p5. So, here first shell contains 2 electrons, second shell contains 8 electrons, third shell contains here 18 electrons, and 4 shell 17. Then 2, 8, 10, 10 and 8, 28, 28 and 2, 35. That is known as atomic number 35. So here atomic number 35. So answer first one is atomic number 35. And what is number of neutrons? A minus Z. The formula for number of neutrons A minus Z. What is A? 80. Z 35. Now so 45. So this is the answer, first option. Understood? An atom, see, an atom has electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10, 4s2, 4p5. Its atomic weight is 80. Its atomic number and the number of neutrons in its nucleus. Number of neutrons is n is equal to a minus z. We know atomic mass is 80 and we know mass number is 80 and atomic mass, that is called mass number 80, and at based on number of electrons we can calculate atomic number. The atomic number is 35. 80 minus 35, 45 neutrons present in nucleus. Atomic number is total number of electrons 37 will get. So answer is first option. Okay. Now another question. Which of the following particles has more number of electrons than neutrons? See, for example, if you take carbon, see, carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12, the number of neutrons A minus Z, that is number of neutrons in carbon 12 minus 6, 6 neutrons. So both are equal. Which of the particle has more number of electrons than neutrons means neutrons and electrons. If atomic number 6 means number of electrons 6, both are equal. But in this case fluoride ion atomic number is 9, but number of electrons it is 9 plus 1, that is 10 electrons, because minus means it takes 1 electron, number of electrons. And here every fluorine mass number is 19. The number of neutrons is A minus Z. 19 minus 9, 10. It is also equal. So it is not answer. Now atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. And number of electrons 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. 10 electrons. What is mass number of oxygen is? Mass number of oxygen is 16. Mass number of oxygen is 16. The number of neutrons A minus Z, that is 16 minus 8, 8 neutrons. So both are here. Electrons are greater than neutrons. Electrons are 10 and neutrons are 8. So this is the answer. Electrons is greater than neutrons. And the last one, see, aluminum. Aluminum atomic number 13. The number of electrons is 13 minus 3, 10 electrons. The mass number of aluminum is, that is 27. Mass number of aluminum. Number of neutrons A minus Z, that is 27 minus 13. That is 14 neutrons, 14. So here in this case electrons 10 but neutrons 14. Here neutrons are greater than electrons. So answer more electrons than neutrons, that is C. C is the correct. Once check the answer here. More electrons than neutrons means you must learn atomic number of elements, at the same time mass number of the element. Both are constants for the atoms. Okay. If plus is there, remove electrons. If minus is there, add electrons. Okay. What is the answer? That is 18th one. C is the answer. And now compared with an atom, atomic weight is 12, atomic number is 6. The atom of atomic weight is 13. Atomic number is 6. Okay. compared with an atom, atomic weight is 12. Means mass number is 12. Atomic number is 6. Okay. And atomic weight of 13. Another one, an atom of an atomic weight 13. That is and atomic number is 6. So we know 6 atomic number 6C12 and 6 atomic number 6C13. So write like both are carbons, isotopes, both are called isotopes because same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. So if you observe this, here what happened, number of electrons, if you count number of electrons here 6, number of protons here 6, and number of neutrons here 6. Here all are equal, contains more neutrons, contains more electrons, contains more protons, and it is a different element, not different element because both are carbons. Now contains here, if you observe this, 6 electrons, 6 protons, but neutrons are 13 minus 6, it is 7 neutrons. Here different number of contains more neutrons because neutron number will get 7 neutrons here, 7 neutrons. So neutrons contains more neutrons, because here when compared to electrons 6, when compared to protons 6, when compared to neutrons here 7 neutrons and 6 neutrons. So answer is contains more neutrons. Once check this. See, compared with an element, atomic weight is 12 and atomic number is 6. Atomic weight is 12, atomic number is 6. So based on that, if compare electrons, protons and neutrons are all equal. But here in the another atomic mass 13, neutrons are more. So then contains more neutrons. And next one, about in nucleus of 20C40 there are, in nucleus 20C40 there are 20C40 there are. So here what is mass number? A is mass number. What is atomic number? Z is atomic number. So based on this, Z means number of electrons, electrons 20 and protons 20. But if you take neutrons, that is A minus Z, that is 40 minus 20, it is equal to 20. Now 40 protons, 40 electrons, it is wrong. 20 protons, 40 electrons, it is wrong. 20 protons, 20 neutrons, it is right, because neutrons 20 and protons 20. The answer is C. Both are protons and neutrons and electrons all are equal in this molecule. Understood? In this atom. Now about another one is C. Na plus ion is isoelectronic with. Isoelectronic means the ions are atoms which are having same number of electrons. If they have same number of electrons are called isoelectronics. For example, take Li plus given. So Na plus isoelectronic means Na plus, we know atomic number of Na 11 minus 1, 10 electrons. Here lithium atomic number 3 minus 1, 2 electrons. Magnesium atomic number 12 minus 2, 10 electrons. It is equal. This is the answer. Calcium atomic number 20 minus 2, 18. That is exactly, so answer is B. But here calcium 18, barium atomic number, see generally we know barium is second group element, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So beryllium atomic number 4, magnesium 12, calcium 20, strontium 38 and it is 56. Barium is 56. Understood? 18 plus 18, 56. Barium is 56. The atomic number of barium 56. Then 56 minus 2, 54 electrons present. 54 electrons. So Na plus ion is isoelectronic with Mg2 plus. Isoelectronic means Na plus ion must be contains equal number of electrons with another ion. Okay. So today's class is over, and in next class I will explain remaining bits. 21 bits completed, and in next class I will complete it. I will take remaining bits, I will explain in the next class. Everyone must follow and do bits, and it is very, very important, and exercise bits. Okay, thank you one and all.